Hello friends, let's continue to do our exercise of Shaolin sitting close. The 12th one, the swallow. I will turn to my left and wave my left claw to left and lift my left leg. Then I will put my left leg to ground. I will put down my left claw. I will wave my right claw forward and lift my right foot, and then I make a step ahead and I crush down. At the same time, I make an arc with right claw to left and then to right. And then I stand up. I make a circle with the right claw in front of me, and I lift my right leg. Then I'll jump. While I'm jumping, I put down my right claw and lift my left leg and wave forward my left claw. Then I step ahead. I continue to draw an arc with my left claw to right, to downward, and then upward to left. The crush down stance. Then I stand up, I raise my left claw, I step with my right foot ahead, and I push my right claw ahead. So bow stance. Then I rotate my body to back. I chop down my two claws to my left. And then I step ahead with my right leg. And then I raise both of my claws. Then I step again. I chop down again. Then I step again. I raise. Then I will do 3 main movements for all animal characters. Grasp chest, grasp face, and grasp heart. Finish. So I repeat again, slowly. I repeat again. Again. Okay, that's all for today. If you like, please subscribe to my channel.